Let's have a look at some of the new features available in the multi-camera editing tool. This is a multi-camera shoot of a pop concert. We've got a balcony camera, front of house camera, a rear camera and a stage camera. Let's make those into a sync group. Right click, choose Make, Sync Group, or the same from the bin settings menu. Make, Sync Group. Lightworks will ask you to name the sync group, the sync method, and set the tile size. Let's do that. Sync group is created. I'm just going to move that to one side. There's a new feature where you can generate and edit based on all the shots in this sync group. Let's have a look at that. The settings menu, create edit. Use video from all the clips or a specific clip. Use the audio. I'm going to choose the front of house camera. Generate cuts every 75 frames for 3 seconds. Choose do it. Let's pop that open and open the timeline. You can see that Lightworks has generated 3-second cuts from a random selection of the cameras. This could be helpful if you want to generate a number of cuts with specific timing, and then you can go through and trim and replace sections of the timeline. Do experiment with it. You'll notice now as I scrub the timeline, the sync group is following. That's because this new function here, auto sync with the record edit, is turned on. This means that we can locate parts of our timeline and the sync group will follow, making re-editing shots easy. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit further. So let's take this shot here. It's set to the stage camera. If I want to switch that camera, there's a number of new methods to do that. You can right click on the clip and go to the alternate clip section, choose the alternate cameras available in the sync group. I'm going to choose front of house for this, or back to the stage. Alternately, from the sync group thumbnails, you can pick up a shot and drag and drop it into the edit viewer. This makes switching the cameras very easy. In my keyboard shortcuts, in my editor preferences, I've changed the assignment for another shortcut to cycle through available cameras quickly. Using the search function, I'm going to search for previous, and the two functions I'm looking for are use the next alternate clip or use the previous alternate clip. I've mapped them to Control and N for next and Control and P for previous. So now if I use Control and next, we can cycle through the available cameras, and if I want to go back a camera, Control and P for previous. If you want to list all the permanent sync groups available to you in this project, that can only be found on the bin icon under List Permanent Sync Groups. This is not available anywhere else anymore. We hope you enjoyed the new features of 11.5. Thanks for watching.